Hi, and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we will see how to make fields or sections in your app visible or hidden based on certain display conditions you give it. Let's take an example. I will select this app that I've created earlier in my Clappia dashboard. Now this app is a customer registration app that captures certain information about a customer. For your Clappia apps, you can make certain fields or sections, if you have, be visible or hidden based on display conditions. So for example, if the contact number is available and is selected as yes, only then would I like the phone number field to appear in the app. Otherwise, it should remain hidden. To do that, I'll go to the Design app where you can create and edit your app interface. You can see all the earlier fields. Now to implement display conditions for fields or sections, simply click on a field that you wish to remain visible or hidden in your app based on certain criteria, and on the right hand panel, you will have an advanced option. In this section, we have display this field if. Over here, you will be able to implement logic and conditions similar to spreadsheet. But in place of cell numbers, we have the concept of variable names, which you can find at the top of every field in brackets. If you want to pull up variable names, all you have to do is type in @ and you will get a list of all the fields available in your app. You can type in the field name and then select it. So as I mentioned earlier, if the contact number is available and the option is selected as yes, only then should the phone number field be visible. So over here, the if condition is already applicable. So if the field equals to yes, then display this field. Click on save and let's see how this looks like. I'll go to app home. The phone number field is no longer visible in the app. If I select no, nothing happens, but if I select yes, the phone number field appears. This is a basic display condition that you can give for your app. Similarly, you can do this for sections. So let's say I add a section to this app. I'll add some fields. Now I've just added a random section here for the sake of example. Just as I did for the phone number field, I will implement a display condition for the section. I'll add a field first. Now over here, if the type is selected as partner, only then should the section appear in the app. But if the type is individual, then it should not appear. So for that, I'll select the section. Go to the advanced section on the right hand panel, and again you will get displayed the section if. This appears for almost every field and section when configuring. So again I can pull up the variable @type equals to partner, which corresponds to this field and this option. I'll click on save. Now if I go to app home, the section is not yet visible, and if I select partner as the option, it appears over here. So now you've seen how to display fields and section based on a simple condition. And as I mentioned, you can implement logic similar to spreadsheet. So you can also implement other formulas such as nested if, else, and etc. So for example, I'll go back to Design app. In this section, I'll add another field. Let's say I add a date selector block to contact the customer. Now, if the contact number available is selected as yes and the type is selected as partner, then only should the contact date field appear in the app. So for that, I click on this field and go to the advanced section on the right panel. Find the field that says display this field if, and now over here, instead of giving the simple display condition that I had given earlier, there will be a slight change. So now here I will have to give an and @contact number available equals to yes, comma, @type equals to partner. I'll click on save and let's check this out. If I select type as partner, the section appears, and once I select contact number available as yes, the contact date field appears. So this is how you can use simple conditions to display fields or sections in your app. Here I've only made use of the single selector block, but you can use other fields as well to display your fields and sections. If you have any query on how to display your fields and sections based on certain criteria or on any other feature in Clappia, you can always request support by clicking on the button over here, or you can email us directly to support@clappia.com and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.